Hello friends, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. Myself Usha Patil, lecturer in mathematics. In last video we learned parametric function, derivatives of parametric function and derivatives of implicit function. Now we today learn logarithmic differentiation. When we use the logarithmic, we know that when function x raised to n means x is the variable and n is the constant means x cube is the function, x cube and x raised to n. X is the variable and 3 is the constant. Then use formula of derivative of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. When base is variable and power is constant, then you use the x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. Sometimes n raised to n means function is base is constant, also power is constant. Then we use the derivative of constant k equal to 0. Means when function is constant, then derivative is the 0. Now sometimes n raised to x means power is the variable and base is the constant. Then we use the formula of derivative of a raised to x equal to a raised to x into log a. See friends, in first function base are variable, power are constant. In second function both are constant. In third function base are constant and power are variable. Now in fourth function both are variables. Power variable and base also variable. Then when we use which formula here use? In formula list, don't know when base and power are variables, then don't know which formula use here. Then here using logarithmic differentiation. When we use the logarithmic differentiation, friends, base and power are variables. Then use the logarithmic differentiation. This is the first case. And such many cases. Second case, some more function in multiply or quotient form. For example, sin x raised to x plus into x raised to x divided by 3 raised to x plus x raised to 2 into 2. That examples use also logarithmic differentiation. Means such two cases are used logarithmic differentiation. In first case when base and power are variables, and in second case so many functions are together in the multiplication or quotient form, then use also logarithmic differentiation. See friends, now examples of logarithmic differentiation. Differentiate sin x raised to tan x with respect to x. with respect to x. First function, let y equal to sin x raised to tan x. Sin x raised to tan x. Here, see friends, here base and base and power both are variables. Then here use which formula? Here is the base is variable, power is constant, and second formula both are constant, and third base are constant and power are variable. But in fourth case, x raised to x means both are variables. Then here using log, take log both side. Take log both side. Log y equal to log sin x raised to tan x. Sin x raised to tan x. Log y as it is. Here use log m raised to n. We know that formula, log m raised to n. N log m. N log m. Then n means tan x, m means sin x. Therefore, tan x into log of sin x. Log of sin x. Now, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Log y. Log y, 1 by y. dy by dx. This is the implicit function. Why it is implicit function? Because of a function is the y, and differentiate with respect to another term means x. That's why it is a implicit function, equal to tan x into log of sin x in multiplication form. Then using which rule? Yes, u into v. U means tan x as it is. V means derivative of log of sin x. Derivative of log of sin x. Plus log of sin x as it is. And derivative of which function? Tan x. Tan x. Now tan x as it is. Log of sin x means 1 by sin x. Again here implicit form. Sin x derivative cos x plus log of sin x as it is, and tan x derivative sec square x. Now dy by dx equal to, here is y is divide form, here multiplication form, tan x as it is. Now cos x by sin x means cot x, plus write sec square x previous of log sin x. Here tan x into cot x means, we know that the value of tan x into cot x is the 1. dy by dx equal to, and y's value are, we are consider, let y equal to sin x raised to tan x. Here you sin x raised to tan x. Now tan x into cot x value is 1 plus sec square x into log of sin x. That is the answer. Logarithmic differentiation. Now see the second example of logarithmic differentiation. If e raised to y equal to y raised to x, show that dy by dx equal to log y divide log y minus 1. Log y minus 1. Now given is the e raised to y equal to y raised to x. Here use e is the constant and y is the variable. Here both are variables. But we question asking, show that in the form of log. There here using take log both side. Take log both side. Log of e raised to y equal to log of y raised to x. Now we know that the form of log m raised to n log m, y log e equal to x log y, x log y. We know that the value of log e equal to 1. We see the standard values in function, standard values in limit. Y equal to, now x log y. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y's derivative dy by dx equal to x into log y. Here is the again using u into v formula. We know that the formula of u into v, u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. U means here the x and v means the log y. U as it is, x as it is. Derivative of log y. Log y's derivative, one implicit form again. Here is the y function and differentiate with respect to x. That's why implicit function. Log y. 1 by y. dy by dx. Plus log y as it is. X derivative 1. dy by dx equal to x divided by y dy by dx plus log y as it is. Collect the terms of dy by dx equal to log y. Here is the common of dy by dx. 1 minus x by y equal to log y. dy by dx y minus x divided by y log y. Log y. dy by dx equal to log y into y upon y minus x. But in question we ask the in the form of only y. Show that here only in the form of y. Here the x remove. How to remove? Equal to, in first y equal to x log y. Give the equation number 1. Y equal to x log y. Then write replace of x y upon log y. Log y into y minus, how to write? Y upon log y. Y upon log y. Log y into y upon y log y minus y divided by log y. Log y. Log y into log y. Divide, take the y common, log y minus 1. Here y and y is the cancel and log y is the log y square. Log y square and log y minus 1. Hence the proof. dy by dx equal to log y square log y minus 1. See the example. Hence the proof.